Hi, Princess. What's up, baby girl? She's been following me around, checking out what I'm doing. I'm doing my makeup. That's not how this day started. As you can see, I was tempted to shave my head, but I didn't. What are you doing up there? Look at all this dust. Dusty woman. Hi, dusty woman. You're my dusty woman. Thank you. Thank you for the kisses. Where are you going now? My pets. Look at the chicken. She's baby princess chicken girl. Ah, ah. She's not mad at me. Furby just landed on the phone. And she bit me on accident because she was mad at Furby for coming over. It happens. We're a little confused. It's okay. We all have our moments, right?